Hey, what's up y'all, it's Charlie. On today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious southern Hoecakes with a honey butter syrup from scratch. Now, Hoecakes goes by several different names like Johnny cake, corn cake, cornbread cake. It's basically cornbread that has been fried in a pan. This is also a good dish to eat like on New Year's Eve, like if you're eating it with greens or cabbage. This recipe calls for about 5 Hoecakes. It's flavorful and absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your southern Hoecakes with honey butter syrup. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some yellow cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, salted butter, buttermilk at room temperature, large eggs at room temperature, vanilla extract, cake batter extract. If you don't have this, you can omit it from the recipe. And you'll also need some light corn syrup, honey, and molasses. And for your tools, lastly, you will need a 10-inch round cast iron skillet. And there we have it. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, now let's get started with making the syrup. So in this small pot, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes now. Turn your fire off. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of salted butter. And I'm going to just let the butter melt in there. The only thing I got to do now is just give it a quick stir. And the honey butter syrup is done. Now I'm going to let y'all notice that the syrup will thicken as it cools. So it might appear to be a little soupy at the moment, but once it cools off, it'll thicken even more. And if you want to add more butter to it, you could add about an additional 1 tablespoon of butter to it if you like. Alright, let's get started with the preparation of our cake batter. So in this medium-sized bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just give this a quick stir. Alright, now let's get started with our wet ingredients. So in a separate medium-sized bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature, 1 large egg at room temperature, 4 tablespoons of melted salted butter, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cake batter extract. Now I'm going to take my whisk and just give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I'll just take a spoon and just give this a quick stir. The batter should be slightly lumpy and thick. Now I'm going to let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. Preheat your fire to medium-low heat. Alright, so in a cast iron skillet, I'm going to spread some butter. And make sure your fire is preheated to medium-low heat because cast iron skillets tend to draw a lot of heat. Alright, now I'm going to add 4.5 ounces by weight of the batter into the skillet. Take a spatula and just spread that around like that. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes now, and as you can see, our cornbread cake has risen up a little bit. There's the bubbles starting to show at the surface. So now I'm going to just go ahead and take my spatula and flip it over. Now normally when I flip it over onto the other side, it takes about 2 minutes altogether. So about 4 minutes on one side, and then when you flip it over, it's an additional 2 minutes. Okay. Alright, the Hoecake is done. Looks pretty good. So now I'm going to just take it and place it onto the serving dish. After that, it's ready to be served. Now you can top the Hoecakes with some butter and some of our homemade syrup. to go right on top of there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hoecakes made by New Orleans native. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. I got some of that syrup and butter on there. It's really good. It's fluffy, it's moist, has a nice butter, and you can taste the honey in there as well. It's really, really good. It's very similar to pancakes, but it's made with cornbread batter. Very simple. So, give the recipe a try. Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. Now I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this fabulous Hoecakes with honey butter syrup recipe. You can go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. So, until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a great day. Peace.